All physical phenomena in our universe derive from four fundamental forces. Gravitational force, quite common force, koina force ni, responsible for star mayam bind tauba galaxy da cluster in ladies then samudra da tai to in thogaliba moy mayam si gravitational force ni mathang the strong force in a kaida uge hai matamda nucleus manung da yawa proton mayam phajala thamiva force to strong force. Then mathang gida masulai known as weak force. Weak force in a kaida uge hai matamda nuclear decay umataw matamda uva force makhalamani adubo akoina concern tokdori force the electromagnetic force ni. It is one of the most important forces ni maramdi we cannot even think without this kind of forces. Moisina laktuisi charges kumba electricity kumba moi mayamama relate torkani inojikta moi yaugdadi wakan kanbangamde haibagi maramdi akoigi nerve ta electrical signal mayam chali mayamji charges ngaktori tuini electrical signals na hairim ni dunu segi electromagnetic force gi makhada akoi unit mangat makani chapter mayam amani aduga koigi book ki oina di first book to part 1 do adu pula point oina adun introduction macha amoina koi yengminasi koigi ahamba chapter gi maming electric charges and fields unit na electrostatics ki manunga chandoini electrostatics haibati karino hai matamda subject amani which deals with study of forces, fields and potentials arising from static charges lengdana leiba charge tagi tholakwa phenomena mayamga mari leina boidoini. So what are charges? Electric charge hai karino. Electric charge is the property of matter which gives rise to electric force between them. Sumaina kalo force dikta hai gravitational force kumba force makalam ni masu karida khenar ke hai matamjida mana billion times stronger wave dagi difference am sulai sigi matter makhan ani thong lai sigi matang jida amana positive kawi amana negative kawi manaba masen repel dawi manadaba masen attract the wave hojiki positive mayam pulap thamba matam sida repel loi tongna gini negative mayam thamba sida chamana repel dawgini adubu positive amga negative amga pusalak matam dadi moisi attract the wave akhoi gi body sida yawini negatively charged electrons and positively charged protons adubu mi amada naksanba matamda akoina jingjanade repel tokde maramdi they are perfectly well balanced orgalay kalone if 1% of akoigi electrons hena yar bisa sida adu itargadi sina puthorkadaba repulsive force to 1% of electron helak yarobga si force na yum mama thangba irai lai ngamni average phuk pangamni adudi laidana 1% of this repulsive force ma 1% hen mana puthor repulsive force na kaidongam ge hamatamda the weight equivalent to our earth equivalent oiba weight amabumana kai haini thangat pangamni lift ngamni aduki matik kanba force ni ko mase adunani property of matter which give rise to electric force between them zibu charge side magi variety ani hai betane positive haibamga negative haibamga mase represent obuzi q na tawi q equals it I is in a current t is in a time charge ne asa unit na coulomb CGS unit na ESU or electrostatic unit of charge or static coulomb hai. 1 coulomb equals 3 times 10 to the power 9 ESU. Then there is another thing called polarity. Polarity is a property which differentiates the two kinds of charges. Karambano haibado. The differentiate taungama property to polarity haibane. So negative positive of laying kale kadai waida uge irai line haib matunda koina plastic ki scale macha ma paraga samda dry hair da noiba matam aduga kaido wache mache se gairaga naksan matam na kaidawi moisin napai sigise dry hair sina positively charged oil ini then plastic combs ina negatively charged oil ini admain tawaga